Today I'm doing braised short ribs on the Slow N Sear Kamado. If you want to see more about it, stick around. Hello and welcome back. I'm here on my cell phone testing out a new audio device here, trying to get some better audio on my cell phone as I do some of these videos, so bear with me if things aren't perfectly audibly correct, right? But what I'm doing today is some braised short ribs on my Slow N Sear Kamado. I got an abundance of herbs growing on my patio. I got lots of rosemary and thyme. I got some peppers of all kinds. I got some cubanelles and jalapenos and Melrose peppers and things coming to ripeness, and I need to do something with it before I either have to freeze them, dry them, or whatever like that. I want to use something, make something fresh with it. So I decided to go back and do some braised short ribs, partially because I actually showed a glimpse of my last braised short rib dish back when I did my Slow N Sear Kamado review a couple of months back. There was some interest there as to what that recipe was, and honestly, I didn't have a recipe, I just kind of winged it. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and do this again today, yet winging it once again, using the collection of my herbs and peppers and local produce here. I might even throw some corn on the grill because I've got corn growing out in my garden this year. So so far so good. So stick around and I'll see how this turns out, and you can come along with me and see how this and see what I end up with. All right, so stick around. Hour and a half in. Let's take a quick look here. That looks pretty good, man. Smells good. Look at that.
How tender are they? Are they falling apart?
Not yet. They're about another no, probably at least another half hour. Can't wait. Put the lid back on. Close it up. All right. All right, thanks, Bill. That's my new cameraman. My neighbor, Bill. Yep, all right, cool.
Billy Rivers.
It's been 2 hours since I put it on, so let's check on it. All right, let's see here. It's been 2 hours. Let's take a look here. Take this lid off, put this over here. Okay, let's go take a look here again. It really smells good. It really smells, oh yeah, oh, it's falling apart. Oh yeah. It's done. This is ready to eat, folks. Look at that, the meat just comes off the bone. And it's thickened up really nice. So that gravy doesn't, I don't think it's going to need any more thinning than this, or thickening than this. I mean, so let's pull this off and eat, huh? Yum. Success. And there it is on a bed of Yukon mashed potatoes and a side of my homemade 2018 Merlot, which I'll hope to be getting the video out finally on after a year. But that looks really good. That looks really good. Whoop. Change the change the lighting a little bit. So anyway. So cheers. I'm gonna go eat. See you around. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out other videos on my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe.